Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am going to show you a small shovel. So this is the shovel. We're gonna check this out. I got it to shovel rocks, but I think I got the wrong size. I got too small. But let's check this out. So this is it. So it's almost like for kids or something. So it looks heavy duty. So I don't know. I might actually use it for some of the stuff. It wasn't very expensive, so maybe that's why it's so small. Let's check this out and look at it here. I mean, it's got super strong, heavy duty. Look at the metal on it. This thing's solid. This thing's not going to bend or break or anything. So it's going to be able to shovel some rocks. So when I'm doing the small rocks, this actually probably is going to be good for just getting them off the top of the heap. So I'm going to use this one. I'll let you know how it goes, but it seems pretty good. It's got a nice handle. It's plastic with a little bit of rubbery feel to it. So there you go. You can kind of see what it looks like. And then here's where it's connected. I wish it was like I could push the button and extend it, but it seems pretty good. So it's pretty cool. Nice. And here, I guess you wouldn't be digging too much unless you're digging flat things there. It's not one of those pointed ones. So that's probably what I'm gonna get to dig some bushes in. But this is what the small shovel looks like. This is 28 inches, so it's not even a yard. So that's what it looks like. So up next to me, you'll see it's fairly small. So that's it, but for what it is, it seems pretty good. So I'll give it a thumbs up for what it is. But cool. And there it is. I'll put a link to this in the description so you can pick one up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.